Safety Toolbox Talk number 209. Piling Operation Control Measures. Excavated area to be reinstated and gravel applied. Existing facility shall be marked with line powder. Communicate to all personnel prior to start the work. Driller must be competent and third-party certified. Never exceed manufacturer's speed, force or torque. Have drip trays to contain any possible leak. Inspect all tools and equipment for safety before use. Keep area of lifting operations clear. Keep work platform dry or provide rough surface. Thank you.